Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the new series from start to finish. And today is going to be create and set up a new project in Unity. And we've already created 3 folders. So click and drag your artwork in, change it to a sprite, change that to multiple so that we can slice it up into multiple sprites using the Sprite Editor. Don't forget to hit apply. Head over to the Sprite Editor, and you can do this a couple different ways. You can do it manually by using the mouse and then moving the handles around, which is fun for everybody. However, I find for this instance, it's probably a bit easier and faster to use the automatic feature. So we'll just use the automatic feature, hit slice, and we'll see that Unity is pretty awesome and will slice it up for us. If you're happy with that, hit apply, and we'll head back to the inspector, and we'll click the little drop down and see that Unity sliced all of our awesome artwork up into several different pieces. So take a look at it. If you're happy with the way everything was sliced, we can move on to the next part. So just create a new game object by right-clicking, create empty, and call it player, character, my superhero, Superman, Wonder Woman, whatever. And what we're going to do now are we're just going to click and drag all our sprites onto the parent object. Now this is really handy because if we move the parent object around, all the sprites, no matter where they're placed, will follow around the parent object. Here I just deactivated all the sprites so I can it's easier to place them one by one. And as you can see, boom, he is going fast. The eyeball is quick. And we're just going to slowly lay our player out a little bit. And once that's done, well, the game is finished. So here, still just laying everything out. Kind of just doing an eyeball. Nice little rough idea. Sketch. It might work. Might just keep it like that. We'll see where he goes. Now you'll notice the eyeballs are behind the big round head. If you want it like that, that's fine. But probably want the eyeballs in the front. So you can see in a moment, using layer order, the higher number will be in front of the lower number. Drop a like, guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, and helps me to do some more videos for you guys. Thanks. Man, I've been playing Bloodborne, and this is definitely a game for insane. So now you can see the eyeball is higher or closer, however you want to think about it, than the head. And just taking a look at all the objects, all your sprites, making sure everything looks pretty good. And gonna put his horn right there. Put his foot, that's the perfect spot for his foot. Move it up, no. And if you want them exactly the same, a little quick tip is you could just copy and paste the Y position to the other foot's Y position so it's exact, if that's what you want. And you can see here the foot is still behind the body, so just change the layer to something higher. Get it cleaned up a little bit. He doesn't need arms. Why would you? It's fine. Or maybe they're coming later. He hasn't decided yet. That's gonna pretty much wrap it up for the first video of the series. And if you have any questions, please leave a question below or a comment. I try to get back to everybody as soon as I can. And let me know how your game is coming along. Anyways, Thank you for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody's having fun, and we'll see you next time. Happy coding, guys.